Western City Class 440s were a series of 10 locomotives designed by William Dean and introduced in 1901 for light express passenger work. Number 3440 City of Truro was the first steam locomotive to be recorded at a speed of over 100 miles per hour. The engine is part of the National Collection based at York, but seen here at Fennycompton on the 3rd of May 1992, working a rail fan special between Derby and London. Great Western 2800 Class 280s totalled 84 engines. They were designed by George Churchward and introduced in 1903 for work in heavy long-distance freight trains. Number 2857 is based at Bridgnorth in Shropshire. The engine is seen here working a train between Kidderminster and Bridgnorth at Erdington Bank on the Severn Valley Railway. The Great Western 4500 Class 262T Prairie tank engines totalled 94. They were designed by George Churchward and introduced in 1906 for light branch line passenger work. Three engines of this class are featured on this tape. Number 4555 is based at Paignton in Devon. The engine is seen working its train from Kingsware approaching Glampton Station on the Paignton and Dartmouth Steam Railway. Number 4561 is based at Minehead in Somerset. The engine is seen here piloting 5100 class number 4160 approaching Doniford Beach Halt on the West Somerset Railway. Number 4566 is based at Bridgnorth in Shropshire. The engine is seen at Arley on the Severn Valley Railway. The Great Western Castle Class 460s totalled 167 engines. They were designed by C.B. Collett and introduced in 1923 for express passenger work. Three engines of this class are featured on this tape. Number 5029 Nunney Castle is based at the Didcot Railway Centre in Oxfordshire. The engine is seen at Great Boughton as it works a railfan special between London and Stratford-upon-Avon. Number 5080 Defiant is based at Tyseley Railway Centre in Birmingham. The engine is seen here near Barley Cross working a railfan special between Birmingham and Stratford-upon-Avon. Number 7029 Clun Castle is based on the Great Central Railway at Loughborough in Leicestershire. The engine is seen at Saunderton while working a railfan special between London and Banbury.